How to sign into Presto using Presto Card. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can sign in. Into your Presto account using your Presto Card. So to do that, first of all, download and open the Presto app on your mobile device. Now once you've done that, it'll basically provide you three different options. So you can either sign in using your Presto account, or if you want, you can also sign in using your Presto Card. Now once you get the Presto Card, simply tap on the option Presto Card. After that, you will be taken to this page where it will basically ask you to enter your Presto Card number. Now you can find this number on the back side of your Presto Card and also the Presto Card's verification number. Now once you've entered both of these, simply tap on the option sign in, and then if you want, you can enable your biometric authentication so that next time onwards you don't have to enter your card number and your security code. Once you tap on the option enable, you'll have successfully signed into your Presto account using your Presto Card. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.